Hello and welcome to another episode of Trains Up. As today we're at Hadley Wood on the East Coast Mainline. So you're going to be seeing services by Virgin Trains East Coast, Govia Great Northern, First Hull Trains and Grand Central. Now it's 313028 for the Govia Great Northern service bound for Moorgate. I shall get the rear numbers for you as she leaves. I shall about to have Virgin Trains East Coast HST pass by as well. That was 313037. (43.302), 43.311. Next train to pass by is a dual up pair of Govia Great Northern 365s. In fact, I think this is a triple up, so I'm not too sure. 5507 with 365517. Couldn't see the middle, I'm afraid. Well, great two-tone from the driver there. Thank you very much. Next train to turn up is the 1825 Govia Great Northern service to Welling Garden City. So dual up pair of 313s. The front is 313062. Very scruffy 313029 on the rear. Then we're about to have Virgin Trains East Coast 225 set pass by. (82.211) with 91113. And the next train to pass by, it looks like it's going to be a jewelled up pair of 321s, so Govia Great Northern. In fact, I dare say it's a tripled upset. (416, 420 and 408). Go away with the driver there, thank you very much. And the next train to turn up is going to be a Govia Great Northern 365, I believe. Or... nope, it's a 317. (317.340). Next train to pass by is going to be a Virgin Trains East Coast 225 set. From 121, base 2229. And the next train to pass by is going to be a jewelled up pair of Govia Great Northern 365s bound for London King's Cross. (365.504) with 365.351, 531 even. And the next train to pass by is going to be another pair of Govia Great Northern 365s. 365-536 for 365-512. And then we're about to have Virgin Trains East Coast 225 set pass by as well. It's 2207 for 92112. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be a Govia Great Northern pair of 313s. (313-051) with 033. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be a pair of Govia Great Northern 317s. 317-343, 317-337. It's a service bound for Peterborough. Next one to pass by is going to be another pairing of Govia Great Northern 365s. 365-524, 365-538. Okay, down there is the 1840 Govia Great Northern service bound for Welwyn Garden City. As a Virgin Trains East Coast 225 set is about to pass by. Base 2219. Here is 313043 leading the way. With 313064 on the rear. Next train to pass by is a Virgin Trains East Coast 225 set. Nice 1128, base 2226. Nice little tone from the driver there, thank you very much. Next train to pass by is going to be a single 317 unit bound for London King's Cross for Govia Great Northern. (317-346). Next train to pass by is a Virgin Trains East Coast 225 set. It's 2214, and I think that was 91-120, I believe. I'm not too sure. Next train to pass by is a pair of Govia Great Northern 313s. (313-024, 313-018 out to Welwyn Garden City. Couldn't see the 365s, I'm afraid. Okay, and the next train to pass by is going to be a Govia Great Northern 321. 321-410 with 405. Next one to turn up is the 1851 Govia Great Northern Service to Moorgate, formed of a dual pairing of their 313s. Three 040s at the front. Very, very scruffy. Yeah, she's off. On the route is 313-025. Next train to pass by is going to be a Virgin Trains East Coast 225 set, followed by a dual pairing of Great Northern 321 units. It's 2227, we've gone to 1117. And the next train to pass by is going to be a pair of Govia Great Northern 321s bound for London King's Cross. 321402 at the front. With 321419 on the rear. This is the 1855 Govia Great Northern Service to Welling Garden City. Formed of a dual pairing of 313s, got 313-032 at the front. With 313-044 on the rear. And the train to pass by is going to be a pair of Govia Great Northern 365s. 365 531. 365 504 bound for Kings Lynn. Okay, and the next train to pass by is going to be another Govia Great Northern pair of 365s. 519 with 365528. Great tone from the driver there, thank you very much. This service bound for Peterborough. Next train to pass by is going to be a First Hull Trains Adelante.
Please stand well clear of the edge of platform
180-113. Next train to pass by is going to be a 317 unit for Govia Great Northern. (317-341). And the next train to pass by is going to be a pair of Govia Great Northern 313s. 313,029. With 062 on an ECS movement. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be a Govia Great Northern 365 bound for London King's Cross, and there'll be another one passing behind me. It's 365 615 515 unit. That was 365501 with 532. That's bound for Cambridge. Yeah, I couldn't see the rear car on the 365 that went that way, I'm afraid. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be a dual-deck pair of Govia Great Northern 317s. .317 340 with 317 347. And our final train of the day is going to be a Govia Great Northern pair of a single 321. .321,409. And as she continues on with London King's Cross, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching, it is greatly appreciated. If you've liked what you see today, then please do like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment, I do get back to them as and when I get the opportunity to. Even though the heavens have opened, I've really enjoyed filming here. Definitely a station I'll be coming back to do a more lengthier video. But that will conclude my run along the East Coast Mainline. It's going to be back to random stations as of next week. So it's not too sure I'm going to go yet, so it'll have to be a surprise. But I hope you've all enjoyed it. And if you've got any tracks of locations or stations you'd like me to go to, then please do let me know, and I will endeavour to do my very best to get around to doing those for you. So, until next time, I shall see you all later. Goodbye.